At this age, children are like little sponges, picking up every bit of information about the world around them. 2-year-old learns will be through play and normal social interaction. However, there are plenty of everyday skills and tasks that you can start teaching your toddler. Being a doctor and mother of two, I know children can learn through their everyday play. So today's topic is important things to teach your 2-year-old. Introducing new words and conversational speech is very much important. You can teach following things to your toddler.
Missy, sit down. Missy, stand up. Missy, dog says.
Papa.
Cat says.
Meow meow.
Cow says. Frog says.
Meow.
Very good. Horse says. Horse.
Ee.
Very good. Elephant says. Very good. See? Green color.
Which color?
Which
Which
color?
color is this? Yeah.
Very good.
Which color is this?
Very good.
Which color is this?
No, which color, Nishi? Not green. Orange.
Which color is this? Very good. Which color is this? Purple.
Very good.
Which color is this?
Which color? Pink. Very good.
Which color is this? Brown.
Very good. Where is your eyes? Where is your hair? Very good. Where is your teeth? Where is your teeth? Where is your tongue? Where is your hands? Hands. Very good. And where is your cheeks? Cheeks. Yes.
Where is your legs?
Legs. Nishi, legs.
Where is your legs? Back. Aya. Kadi bhai. Bye.
Make sure they understand how to read the book from front cover to back cover and the right way to hold it. When you are reading, be sure to use your finger to follow along with the words so they start to associate the letters with what you are saying. Always allow your toddler to be independent. It allows them to become a good decision maker. It promotes confidence and self esteem. It gives your child a sense of importance. And it also teaches them self motivation. It makes your toddler happy and healthy. Toddlers are always ready to do things by themselves. So promote independence like allowing them dressing, feeding by themselves, brushing teeth and hair, cleaning up, hygiene, hand wash and blowing nose. All the things are important to teach and promote independence. Child feeding themselves. It might seem messy, but it's one of the way your child develops fine motor skills like learning to hold a spoon, or you can say pincer grip. Or child may get a chance to learn about taste, texture, smell, and temperature of food. Pretend play. Why pretend play is important to teach? Here are some reasons why pretend play is important. It encourages imagination and creativity. It also supports social and emotional development of your toddler. And it also improves language and communication skill. It develops thinking, learning, and problem solving abilities. And also, it enhances the physical development. So, always encourage your toddler to pretend play. Pretend play like cooking in a play kitchen, playing with a doctor kit, feeding a baby doll, talking on the phone, and many other activities are there. Building with blocks is always fun activity for toddler as well as children also. Building helps to improve your child's hand-eye coordination. They will use their imagination and creativity to create masterpiece. Physical activity and getting outside is more important. Make sure they are getting plenty of physical activities. Physical activities for toddlers like jumping, running, climbing, throwing, or catching a ball, or at least take them for a walk and point out all the sights you see and see how happier your toddler will be. There are many things affecting child development. So if we take care for those, surely we will raise a happy and healthy kid. Children love rhythm and music, so get them singing and dancing. And also introduce instruments like xylophone. Your child probably already has some routine in place throughout their day. Actually, I love using a routine or responsibility chart. You can stick it against wall so your toddler actually understand what it's for. You can make your own routine chart or you can get many printables on Google. Thanks for watching my video. See you in my next video. Till then, bye.